Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sarah back at it again. And if you guys know the Haps, you know what you're in store for.
If you ask me what I've done with my life, I'll tell you one thing, that I tried to do everything right. Trouble will find me wherever I go, cutting me deeply into the depths of my soul. You ask me, do I believe in the light? I tell you one thing, sure as the sun shines in the sky. Wherever I go, it seems to be there, treating me special.
So in the video, in the beginning, you saw me get really close into my eyeball. That's not the point of this. No. Your girl got a vehicle, okay? Your girl got a vehicle all in her name. No co-signer, no nothing. It's just me. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm really
This is my new vehicle, guys. Hope
super
you like it.
excited for what's in store. And I can't wait. Other news is it's for sure guaranteed that I will be in the delivery room with one of my friends when she gives birth. And I can't wait for that either. I can't wait to meet him. Oh, my little godson. I can't wait though. She's due sometime in April. I think April 20th is the exact date. And I know my potheads out there, 420. But I can't wait to meet him. I honestly can't. I really can't. Like, I'm so excited to meet him. Other news though is that's it. That's really it. I don't know. I don't know what's in store next. I never will. But I know this is a short YouTube video, but that's all I had to update you on, guys. Sorry to bother your time. But like, subscribe, share, do what you gotta do. I'm not gonna be mad if you don't subscribe or like or share. Because to be honest, I don't care. It's not like I'm famous and like I got unfamous. Trust me. I'm not. Bye guys. Good night. Have a nice evening. Because it's almost 11 o'clock at night, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it is past 11. So bye guys. Have a nice night.